specifically they say it has a z-score of 0.5, right? But at the same time, right? Well, no, that one's 0.5 higher, right? And so we don't know the score is what I'm saying, right? Score, okay, yes, is 2 actual points higher. So at the same time, there's an x score, and what you know about this x score is it's 2 points. Sample mean. And a score of 44 has a z-score of -1. So, and that's an x score, 44. And then the question is, what is the sample mean? Okay, so what you're asked to find is, what's the sample mean in there? And so this score, whatever the sample mean is, this is also 2 points higher, right? Okay, so you're gonna need probably some kind of equation, right, to come up with this. So what do you think we could come up with this equation? It's probably the only equation we have, z, right? So z equals what? Standard deviation. Right. And let's see, did they give us any kind of standard deviation? I don't think so, but let's see what we can plug in. So z equals, so do we know z for one of them? We do know z for one of them, right? -1 equals, and then 44 minus mu, right? Over sigma, right? Okay. And then on the other side, what do we do? We have z equals, so 0.5 equals, we don't know x, but we do know it's, I feel like this one's trickier than it, not trickier than it should be, but trickier than I meant to do. Like, probably still gonna do here. So it's, we don't know the score, so that's fine. So it's x, but we do know that it's 2 points higher than the sample mean. So let's write it out like this first. It's x minus mu over that, right? But I do know that this score right here is 2 points higher than what? Than the sample mean. So a little trickier than I think than I meant here, but that would be, instead of x, you could put mu plus 2 points, right? That way it gets it down to the same variable. So 0.5 equals, all right, so if it's 2 points higher, this would be mu minus mu is what? Is left with 2. All right, so I've got this equation now, right? Which I can actually solve for what? I can solve for that, right? So 0.5 theta equals 2, divide by 0.5, right? And you get what? You get equals 4. This is probably the most algebraic when I see down here. Like, this is literally algebra, come up with 2 equations. I'm not sure that if I would have seen it and knew it was this one, I would have put it on there. Not because it's unreasonable, but because you really didn't do anything like it specifically. All right, this helps because now I can do what with it? Plug it in, right, to that. So -1 equals 44 minus mu over 4. So cross multiply -4 equals 44 minus mu, and do what here? Subtract 44, and you get -48 equals negative mu, right? And then mu equals 48.